Hello friends, how are you? My name is Mohammed Bilal and you are watching my YouTube channel Funtech. Today we will analyze the BTC and Ethereum on 4-hour and daily frame chart. So we can start from the BTC 4-hour chart in which we will see that about the storage RSI and the CCI data. So we can start from the 4-hour chart. The current price is BTC 1,14,228. If we see the storage RSI data, it showed that 97.53 to 97.94.63, which is means it's overbought. Okay, so if we can see the CCI data, the CCI data also shows that 52 to minus 42.56, which also indicates or show that the hover. But when we will check the candle data of BTC on 4-hour time frame, it showed that harmonic pattern visible and price is already reaction. Okay, it's bearish momentum. You can see that it's bearish momentum. So what we can the prediction according to 4-hour chart? First thing, you should be keeps eye on your that spot. This 1,12,000. The first spot is this. BTC already resists that one. Okay, and the second spot is 1,10,000. That's the first one, and this is the second one. You should be keeps eye on that spot. If the BTC broke that spot and go with the next spot is 1,08,000. So according to our 4-hour pattern chart, we can clearly see that the storage RSI data and CCI data is overbought. Also a bearish harmonic momentum also appear in the candle chart. Okay, so you should be keep on eyes your on that spots. So if we will go from the daily time frame, in the daily time frame we can see that what is the next part. The next step of the BTC, it is very look like very beautiful. First we will see that the storage RSI and CCI data. The CCI data is minus 125 to minus 61, which indicate the natural but falling. It shows that this is natural, but it shows it is falling. Okay, you should be remember this one. So if we will go from the storage RSI data, it is also show that natural but falling. You can see that this is falling according to our open side, and this one is our close side. Okay, if we will go from the pattern, this is bearish pattern for me. You will go that side, this is bearish pattern. This one is the bearish pattern. So price appears to be scaling after a strong upward. This one is our upward. What according to what daily time frame. Okay, so what will be the predict of daily time frame? According to our 4-hour chart, it is also shows a bearish movement. So before trade, you should be keep that the storage RSI and CCI data shows that it is going from the bearish side. So if we will go from the Ethereum, what will be the happen? Ethereum daily frame. In the Ethereum daily frame, we can see that the storage RSI data is 10.64 to 4.90. Okay, 10.64 to 4.90. So you think what is it show? It is so deeply oversold, deeply oversold. To show that it is deeply oversold. Okay, if we will go the CCI data is 46.20, which indicate that there's a bearish momentum. It's create a bearish momentum. So price bounced recently from the spot and formed a small bearish candle. This one. This one. Okay. So what is our strategy and prediction regarding the Ethereum? Price bounced recently from the spot and formed a small bearish candle. Okay. It break out. The resistance is 3,70,000. This one is our resistance area. This one is our resistance area. If it will be break, it will what is the next step is 3,900. So if we will comparison regarding the BTC and Ethereum is more bullish as compared to the BTC, which means that the altcoin seasons are coming. Today, the BTC dominates 59.93%, which indicate that the altcoin season are coming, but not at hype, not from the hype. It's the beginning of the alt season. You should be keep on your eyes on the BTC dominance and the altcoin dominance. Okay, if you are think that my videos are interesting, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.